The pin locks your grinder's spindle, so you can remove the flange nut to replace the grinding wheel or cutting disc. The metal pin engages with a hole in the spindle gear, locking the spindle in place. Over time, the pin can wear, causing it to slip out of the hole in the gear. If it is accidentally pressed while the grinder is running, it can be sheared off. Replacing the pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spindle housing from the grinder. Next, I can remove the pin. I'll use a punch to tap the pin away from the housing. Now I can replace the pin. I'll need to transfer the O-ring from the old pin to the new one. To reassemble, I'll slide the pin back into the housing. I'll take a socket, place it on my workbench, and rest the pin on top of the socket. Now I'll place the compression spring over the pin and install the pin cap. And I'll use a rubber mallet to secure the pin cap. Now I can reinstall the spindle assembly. I'll place it onto the housing, aligning the gears, and press it into place. You may need to tap it into place with a rubber mallet. Once the housings are aligned, I'll secure them with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new lock pin in your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.